Dear friends, now we are going to discuss something about that spotting the error. So actually, that spotting the error is asked in both staff selection commission and banking examinations. So we have to deal with thoroughly that because spot the error related with all the topics of grammar. Each and every topic this question will be based on. So what you have to do is first of all let us discuss something about that articles related errors, how it is asked, what will be the error. So in the question they will underline and make it A B C D like that. Somewhere else they are mentioning about that E or D, no error, that also whether there is error or no error, that is also we have to find out and mark it. So first of all here one question is there, just see, my friend always likes to travel by the air since he is a very busy man. So what is the error here? Actually travel by the air, that is wrong. There what is error is the error, that should be removed. Supposing if it is underlined something here A, here B, here that C marked, means C is that error. Okay, so the should not be coming in this sentence. So correct sentence is my friend always likes to travel by air. By air means aeroplane. That is what he is travel, not that particular air. So that is why that the should be removed. Then second sentence, Dr. Radhakrishnan was a more famous philosopher than a politician. So here also this article here it comes, you see, a more famous philosopher than a politician. Politician in a sense, not only one politician. A politician means one politician. He is not more famous about only one politician. All the politicians. That means this A should be removed. So here A should not come. A is that error. If it is marked as underlined and D is given, means D is that error. Okay, in that question. Then next one. The third question, the manager and the executive director of our hotel is a very energetic person. So here the manager and the executive. So two phenomena are given here. There are two articles are given, the manager and the executive. So only one there should be used there in the beginning. So the manager and the executive, here the is the error. This the word should be removed. So if it is given it is A, this one is B, means what is error? B is that error. B should be removed. Okay. So the manager and executive, that is what the correct sentence. Then fourth one, whenever I meet him, he always makes a mention of his father. Whenever I meet him, he always makes a mention of his father. What a mention? Mention. He is always mentioning about something. There is not only one mention. So that A is the error. So that A should be removed from here. Okay. That spot the error means what is that error? A is that error. A should not be used. Then next one you see, although he has undergone a very costly treatment, he has not been cured of a headache. So what is the error here? Although he has undergone a very costly treatment, he has not been cured of a headache. Headache. There is no a headache or another headache or different headache. It's a type of headache. So that a should be removed, not a headache. We should not mention any a with any disease. A corona, we should not use. A headache, we should not use. A fever, I am suffering a fever, so is the wrong. I am suffering from fever. That is what correct. Okay. So here that a should be removed before that headache. Then next one, those in hurry should realize that speed is no key to success in life. So, those in, it is a proverb. If you might have read, it will come out. Those in hurry should realize that speed is no key to success in life. Do you remember about this proverb? Those in a hurry. So here in place of that hurry, before that hurry, that article we have to use. So people are having different types of hurries, but even if someone is having a type of hurry, then he cannot the speed and key to success in life. So should realize that he should realize that he is, I mean, there is no key to success for his life. That is why in place of hurry, before that hurry, we have to add a. So if they have underlined this word, something like that, so that a should come, a hurry. That is what here that error. The next one, God made country and man made town. So it is a historical truth or religious truth. When it is coming up, so there we have to add the main article the should be added. That is missing here. So what error is coming down? God made the earth and man made the town. That is what. So here also we have to add that the, here also we have to add that the. So that is what God made the country and man made the town. The next one, it is pity that he does not behave humbly with his parents and friends. So here generally this is also when that word pity that comes before we have to add that a. Before here in the term that hurry we added that a. Then here also that term pity we have to add that a. It is a pity that he does not behave humbly with his parents and friends. Then the next one is another article. Generally, we are committing mistake that being MA only, he could not be appointed to the post of a lecturer. So, when that degrees are coming out, always you should remember an article should come along with MA, MSc. Okay, that the sound M, that the sound comes, that is why and should come. Even that letter is consonant letter. M is a consonant letter, not vowel. But so instead, I mean, for that people are using generally A or not using that article also. So there we should use that article. That is also not that article A, that an. I have completed an MA. I have completed an MSc. So this type of degree is coming means before the article and should be used. Got the point? Then next one, he always takes a heavy breakfast because he generally skips lunch. Then he always takes a heavy breakfast because he generally skips lunch. Generally skips lunch. People usually wrongly using an article the lunch, because this generally word comes means there should not be used there with the lunch. So once again you just read and see, he always takes a heavy. Already I told the word hurry, A is added, pity, A is added, here that heavy, A is coming. So what do you say about that? The sentence is correct, no error. Okay, so one column they may give that A, B, C, D or E, whatever. One somewhere else that choice is given, no error, means that only you go to mark no error. So next class we shall discuss. That's all.